start from number one. Okay. Let's start from the number one question. These are all P4 questions. Okay. Divide 24 in the ratio of 7 to 5. Okay, that's very simple. Individual ratio 7, you can say. Total 7 plus 5, 12 times 24. You can cancel here. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. 7 twos are 14. So that means 7 ratio will be 14. And you can, for the number 5, you can just subtract 24 minus 14. That is 10. Okay. Write 24.6 as a fraction of 2870. Okay. 24.6 a fraction of 2870. Okay. We can actually convert this. I have ignored this 0. That 0 is not significant. The zeros after the decimal, after the number, are not significant. Okay. But if you want to write that, it's also fine. My method is, you can do actually calculator also, but my method is, you want to remove the decimal, you multiply with 100 and also divide with 100. Okay. When you multiply with 100, this will become 2460 divided by 287000. Okay. Now you can start the cutting. This 0 goes with this 0. Start with 2 first. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10, 0. Now you can do with number 3. No, 3 will not be possible. Any other number that can divide both of them? You can actually use calculator from here, because it's actually 41, but I found it using calculator. Okay. You can just put this number in calculator now. That is going to be 3 over 350. Okay. Is it clear? Can we move on? You just need to simplify. Okay. Hold on. Let's move to number 3. 192 as a percentage of 160. 1.92 divided by 1.6 multiplied by 100. Okay. You can again put it in calculator. It's fine. That is going to be 120%. Next. In a sale, the original prices are reduced by 15%. Calculate the sale price of a book that has an original price of 12. Okay. Sale price is going to be less than the original price, right? Okay. So original price is 12. 12 minus 15% of 12 of 12. That is going to be the sale price. So 12 minus, that means 15 over 100 times 12. Okay. That is 10.2. So the price is now 10.2. Okay. Abdullah, any problem? Please tell me. Calculate the original price of a jacket that has a sale price of 38.25. Reverse percentage question. Original price we don't know. Let's suppose it as X. Okay.
Sir, in above question, how 12.2?
How 10.2?
Yes,
12,
10.2.
12 is the original price, original, and you are giving 15% discount. They say 15% discount. So find 15% of 12. That is 15 over 100 times 12. What is 15% of 12? It's 1.8. Okay. So 12 minus 1.8, it is 10.2.
Okay.
B part 2, calculate the original price of a jacket that has a sale price of 38.2. Original price we don't know, but we are going to subtract 15% of the original price. And that is going to give the sale price, which is 38.25. 15% can be written as 15 over 100 or 0.15. You can just move two decimal place back. Okay. So 0.85x 1 minus 0.15, 38.25. This 38.5 divided by 0.85.
Sir, after class, will you send this edited file?
Yes, obviously.
Okay, sir.
45.29 was the original price. Okay, let's move on. Teen invest 500 for 10 years at a rate of 1.7 simple interest. Calculate the total interest. So interest will be 500 he invested times 1.7%, so 1.7 over 100 times 10 years. Okay. $85. Okay. That's just the interest. Okay. If you want to find the total amount, it will be 585. All invest 200 at a rate of per day. Okay. Calculate the value of all investment at the end of 1 year. The same formula. Okay. But there is one thing different here. Per day. So in 1 year, obviously you know that there are 365 days. So formula will be same, but n will be 365 because every day the interest is computed. Let's write the formula. Amount is equal to principal 1 plus r% raised to power n. Okay. But this n is now days. Okay. Because interest is also given per day. Okay. Per day. So let's go to our question. Calculate the value of Ollie's investment. That is A. Amount is 200. 1 plus 0.0035 over 100, percent mean over 100, raised to power 365. Okay, because every day he's getting interest. 1 year mean 365. If it says 2 year, you have to multiply 2 with 365 and put here. Raised to power 365. That is going to be 200.
202.57.
Yes, $202.57. Just $2 he's getting the interest. Okay, because the interest rate is too little. Okay, next. This is a little advanced question. Okay, so please be extra careful here. What color do you like? Any color preference you can tell me. Okay, which is more visible here. Okay, Edna invest 500 at a rate of compound interest. So first of all, we just write the formula of compound interest. We can say R over 100. No, we just say R percent raised to power n. Okay, invest 500, so that means principal is 500. At the end of 6 years, she's getting 559.78. But amount is 559.78. 1 plus, you can write as R over 100. That's better. 6. So basically, you need to find R now. Now, this is a little, how to
So,
say?
sir, can we multiply 100 with 559.7?
No. This R is hidden inside. It is basically caged in this power. It cannot be just touched simply. You have to remove the power first. Okay. So let's do it in steps. This is a 3-mark question. It's a bit long steps. If you know how to do both of you, you can do. I will stop. You can first try if you want. But this is a complex question. Maybe I should continue this kind of question we are doing first time. So 559, first of all, 559.78 divided by 500, which is, we will just write it exactly, okay? 1.11956 is equal to 1 plus R over 100 raised to power 6. Now we need to remove this power 6. Okay. So what is the opposite of power 6? Opposite of power 6 is 1 over 6. Okay. Reciprocal of 6 is 1 over 6. So let's take 1 over 6 power on both sides. Okay. Let's take 1 over 6 power on both sides. That means 1.11956 raised to power 1 over 6. Raised to power 1 over 6. Both raised to power 1 over 6. The left side, use calculator to find it. Just put the power 1 over 6. There is function in the calculator. You can do that. Powers can be fractional also. So this is 1.019. Okay. 3 decimal place. And this, you can now note that this 6 will cancel with this 6. Powers will multiply and 6 will cancel with 6. So our problem is now solved. R is out of the power. 1 plus R over 100. Okay. So R over 100 is equal to 1.019 minus 1. That is going to be 0.019. R is equal to 100 times 0.019, which is 1.9%. So interest rate was 1.9%. Please tell me any doubt here. Do I need to explain again? Look at the question. You can note down. This one is a little different type, but
Sir, can you explain from this 1.019 from here?
from here, this step,
Yes, sir.
this step is okay. Previously, it's clear, right? This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can just move one to here. 1.09 1.019 minus 1, that is 0.019. So 0.019 is on the right side and this is on the left side. I just switch the sides. R over 100 is 0.019. Then this 100 will multiply with 0.019. So it is 1.9%.
Okay,
R
sir.
R is 1.9. This kind of question can also come. Sometimes you have to find this R. So make sure you cancel the power. You take the inverse of the power on both sides. This power will cancel them. Then you can find the value of R. Both of you have done this question. You can stop me. I will move to the next one. Otherwise, I will continue. I'll solve 3 questions today. Then you will solve and you will let me know the problems. Okay, campsite fee per day. Tent is $15 and caravan is $25. Times is the fee. Okay, there are 54 tents and 18 caravans. Calculate the fees charged today. So these are the, okay, that's too simple. It's just 54 times 15,
810 and
18 times 25.
450.
No,
So
that
do we have to multiply?
obviously we have to multiply because there are 54 tents. One tent costs 15. So you have to multiply
So 18 multiplied by 25 is 450.
plus 54 times 15. The answer is 1260. 54 times 15 is 810. 18 times 25 is 450. So the answer is 121260. Next, in September, the total income at the campsite was 370. This was a decrease of 4.5%. Okay. So this is a reverse percentage question. Okay. Please try this. I will start solving at 811. Please give it a try. Okay.
So I got the answer. It's 38,721.
It is 38,800, like Faiza's answer.
So I got 38,721.
There is a big difference. So please see the solution, then check your error. August is the old price, okay? And September is obviously the new price. So old, let's suppose it as X, okay? August, let's suppose it as X. So X minus, there was a decrease, 4.5% of X. That gives us the new 37,054. What is 4.5%? X minus 0.045X. So you have to divide X is equal to 37054 divided by 1 minus 0.045. Okay, it's 38800. Is it clear, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, C part, you need to pay a lot of attention. This one is a little different kind question. We haven't done this before. It's a new method which we are going to do. A little tricky. Men ratio woman. And woman ratio children. Men ratio woman is 5:4. Women ratio children is 3:7. We need to find the ratio men ratio women ratio children. Find okay. So there are two separate ratio. Okay, they are not combined yet. Okay, these are two separate ratios. We want to combine them. Okay, that's the answer. We want to combine them. We know that woman is the common thing between them. Okay, woman ratio is the common thing. So whatever is common, you make them same number. Make them same number as LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 3? 4 and 3 LCM. 4 and 3 LCM is 12, right? So we need to
Yes, sir.
make, yes, so we need to make this 4 and 3 as 12. How we can do
So
that?
4 3s and 3 4s.
Exactly. 4 threes are, but the problem is ratio is just like a fraction, okay? It's 5/4, it's 3/7. So if you multiply one thing with the number, multiply same with the
So
other.
we'll multiply with 5 also.
Yes, you are right. Perfect. And similarly, this you said multiply with 4. So multiply this also with 4. Now our problem will be solved. 5 threes are 15, 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12, 28. Okay. Now, as you can see, women was same on both, and their number also we have made them same. This is just like equivalent fractions. Okay. Now you can compare them. Oh, you can combine them. So man is 15, woman is 12, and children is 28. Yes. Can we simplify this? Do they go on the same table? I don't think so. 28 cannot be divided with 3, so that's the final answer. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? Please note down this method. You need to
Yes, sir.
yes, every time you have two different ratios, you have to write like that. Yes. You will get more questions like this in other worksheets, P2 worksheet especially that I have shared. Okay. So working is here. I am just writing the answer here. 15. There are 224 children. 224 children. Okay. And how does the 224 children come? Their ratio, individual ratio is 28. Okay. Divided by total of this is, let's do calculator, 55 times the total people, let's say people, which includes everyone, men, women, and children. So you can use this equation to calculate the people first. Okay. Use this equation to calculate people. People will be 55 times 224 divided by 28. There are 440 people. So how many women and children will be there? 440 minus 224. Okay. Women, children, sorry, not women, children, women, men. Children are already given. Woman, men is equal to 440 minus 224. Okay.
216.
Okay. 260. So these are the women and children, women and men. Okay. Because we have the combined ratio, we can do the total of that also. Okay, I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Let's do D part. Bounds. The space allowed for each end is a rectangle. Okay, let's draw a rectangle here. 8 meter by 6 meter. 8 meter, 6 meter. Correct to the nearest meter. Calculate the upper bound of the area. Area is equal to length into breadth or width. You can say upper bound. You should take the upper bound of both length and breadth. Okay. Upper bound of length will be nearest meter. So 1 meter divided by 2, 0 0.5. 0.5 plus 8 is 8.5. Upper bound of length is 8.5. Upper bound of width is 6.5. Okay. So that is
55 55.25.
5.25. Okay. Okay. The value of the campsite has increased exponentially by 1.5% every year. Exponential increase. Again, the formula amount is equal to principal 1 plus r% raised to power n. Calculate the value of the campsite now as a percent of its value 30 years ago. How can we do that? We don't have even A or P. We have nothing. We have nothing. So let's find the ratio A over P. Let's put the P there. Let's not worry. Just keep it A over P. What is 1 plus r% raised to power n? 1 plus 1.5 over 100 raised to power 30. Let's find it out. It is 1.015 raised to power 30. So that is 1.563, let's say 2 3 decimal place. So can you find the percentage? This is the ratio. A over P is 1.563. Okay. It's basically now you just need to make this fraction as a percentage. Let's say the old, we can make the equation here. A is equal to 1.563p. So far, is it okay? First, tell me, please. This until this step, no problem. I just write A.
No, sir.
Okay. From here, the previous one, old, old value is P, new value today. Today, the new value is 1.563p. So let's find the percentage. They say now as a percent of its old. Now is 1.563p. Old is P times 100. P will cancel with P. Answer will be 156%. Okay. New value as a percentage of old value, which was P. 30 years, it has increased by 156%. It's a little tricky. Were you able to understand or have confusion doubts?
Sir, it's clear.
Okay, Paiza, no problem. Fourth light. Any of the people. Okay, great. So these are tough questions, okay? You should be proud you are doing P4. All right. Now the remaining time, can you please try the question? Then I will help you. If you give me the wrong answer, I will solve it. Okay.